Hi, this is Zak Mir with the US Chartbreakers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Thursday, the 9th of October. Starting off with the S&P, and here you can see that we're still hanging near the highs and trying to get to the highs, actually, get to fresh highs. The high yesterday, 67.55, we were very close to that, so still the strong price action continues. Also had an RSI 50 plus rebound there in the 65 zone, so that is also looking decent. Top of the channel here from back in April up to 6,900, which we're looking for by the end of next month at the current rate of progress. Could be obviously by the end of this month, we're lucky, but recent support towards 66.40, and that's the 6,900 zone is what we're looking for while we're above 66.40 at the moment. If there is a rug pull, I suppose 65.50, the mid-September and late September support also in the running, as would be the 50-day line just below it at 65.18. The Nasdaq is next, and here we're looking at a picture which is getting stronger again. We had a few red candles, a bit of bearish divergence, but managed to snap out of that rising trend channel there from April. Top of the channel there, 25,500. Looking for the top, or looking for that red resistance line projection as high as 26,400 by the end of next month as a best case scenario target, maybe 25.5 by the end of this month. And all of that on the cards while we're above 24,500 at the moment. Rug pull would be down to the floor of the channel, and the 50-day line, 23,900. Moving on to the stocks, and starting off with a situation which hopefully will be a winner over the near term. Here we've got Adaptimmune, and here you can see that we managed to break our initial target there at the top of that falling trend channel, around $23, and looking for that, rather 23 cents rather, just to get that right. It's a good thing I'm checking these things. And above that, looking for the upper parallel of that falling trend channel up to 37 cents, and looking for that by the end of next month. Ideally, we stay above recent broken resistance at 16, well, just under 17 cents. The positive here in the terms of the near term setup is the way that the 50-day line is rising, and we've had three RSI 50 plus rebounds over the past month, something which is a very strong configuration. Obviously explains why the shares gapped up yesterday, and also why or how they could get up to the 40 cents area by the end of next month. Next on the list is a situation called Electra Battery, and here you can see that we've hit our first target there at just under $2, 195 above 195, looking for the top of the range, and the upper parallel of that broadening triangle there, as high as $2.87 by the end of this month. So especially while we stay on the right side of $2. A few esoteric choices today. The first one coming up, and it comes up in the form of the letters I'm typing out at the moment. Harrison Global, you can see that we've got this rising trend channel base. We've broken through the 200-day line there at 25 cents, and above that looking for the top of the channel there up towards 50 cents by the end of next month. Multiple RSI, well, an RSI 50 rebound, and then three RSI 50 plus rebounds, so pretty confident that this is going to push through and not just fail at the 200-day line, which is obviously the percentage trade in that kind of setup. We've covered Nuburu earlier this week, and it's just as well we did, because the shares have had a decent week indeed. We've managed to hit our target there, very ambitious target there, at 67 cents. Above that, looking for a best case scenario target by the end of this month towards $101.10, and looking for that by the end of this month. Ideally, whatever happens, we stay above recent broken resistance at 53 cents. Moving along to Nexalin, and here it is another situation where we've exceeded expectations, breaking the top of that falling trend channel there up to the $1.17, $1.18 level, and also breaking through the 200-day line there at $1.70. Above that, looking for the top of the triangle there as high as $2.45 by the end of this month as a best case scenario target, but that presumes that we stay above that 200-day line in the meantime. On to the last three, and the first one is 374 Water. breaking through the 200-day line as if it wasn't there, and gapping up above it as well. Current situation is that we've broken through recent resistance on the way down around the 58 cents level. Above that, looking for the top of the rising trend channel base at $1.10 by the end of next month. Stock which we've covered also quite recently is Soluna, and here looks like we're in a mid-move consolidation, bull flag hopefully resting just above, at and above old resistance, around $1.80 above that. Looking for $5 by the end of next month. Ideally, we stay on the right side of $2 in the meantime on that particular setup. Finishing off with a situation which hopefully will prove that the charting is working. Again, here we've got Universe Pharmaceuticals, and here you can see that potentially a wide rising trend channel base, top of the channel, difficult to fathom, but probably towards the $15.80 level, and we're looking for that while we stay on the right side of the 200-day moving average at 704. So a big chart there, but let's see if we can get a big result on the upside. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.